scatter with. Is it crunchy? Yes. Crunchy. Hi Explorer, I'm sure you'll be wondering how I got that crunchy goodness. In this second series of me making kokoro with other flour apart from corn flour, today in this video I'll be making use of all-purpose flour. Yes, so I've added my sugar and a little bit of milk, flavor and salt. The food recipe will be in the description section, and the signature product I'm featuring in this post is the 3-in-1 Checkers milk custard. I'll be using 2 sachets and also the vanilla flavor Checkers custard to give my kokoro an extra milky, creamy, milky taste and also a starchy feel, because custard is made from corn starched, and also to give it a beautiful color. So for this experiment, here we explore. So you have to mix your custard with hot water just like you want to make custard, but it's not going to be that done, because what we want is just a creamy texture. So you have to keep adding your hot water till you get a runny, creamy texture of custard. This kokoro with all-purpose flour was crunchy and at the same time it was hard, but the taste was delicious. It was milky, it was okay. If you haven't watched my video on how I made kokoro with lafun, that is the first series, you should go ahead and watch it. So what do we have here? This recipe, it has no baking powder, no butter, no egg, and we are working with all-purpose flour, so it made it kind of hard, because all-purpose flour is usually used with butter or margarine or baking powder, but this kokoro has nothing of such. All I did was mixed with hot water, and the working on the flour, the working on the dough made it hard. So if you are making kokoro with all-purpose flour, that means that you have to love hard and crunchy snack. Now this is the first experiment, or the first explore stuff with all-purpose flour. So next time I think I'll be cooking it on fire. I'll use the cooking method, while this is the kneading method. Now the most challenging part in this stuff is the rolling part. For it was difficult to roll. First I had to roll it on my table using flour to dust the table, but it was hard. Then secondly, I had to use oil to lubricate my work table so that I'll be able to roll it. But at last it was the rolling with my palm that was the easiest. This recipe came out yummy, it was crunchy, people loved it. I took it to the mosque, people ate it and they loved it, but it was hard and crunchy, but not that worse. But I think next time I'll be trying it. I'll have to use the cooking method to make it. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Watch out for series 3 of making kokoro with other flour apart from corn flour. So make sure you like, share and subscribe and follow. I'll see you again in my next video.